How can I restore a lost Tampermonkey user script? Recently my Chrome glitched and Tampermonkey just stopped working. I uninstalled and then reinstalled extension with hope that scripts stay in place, but my scripts got deleted. Luckily, I have a backup of profile directory. So how I can restore them?
Not clean backup but something. Go to and find file 0000003.log or similar. This file stores whole history of changes of all user scripts. Just search for website name that uses your script.
You can use this Python script to extract your scripts from the profile backup folder. This URL